Once upon a time, there was a kind old man who had 3 sons. The boys worked hard, but oh dear, they argued all the time. They argued about everything. Who worked harder, who was stronger, who was right. No matter how much the old man asked them to stop, they just wouldn't listen. One day, the old man became very ill. He lay in bed and called his sons. With a soft voice, he said, "My dear sons, please stop fighting and learn to work together." But the boys didn't take him seriously. They just rolled their eyes and walked away. The old man sighed, but he had a clever idea. The next morning, he gave each of them a bunch of sticks. "Let's play a game," he smiled. "Break these sticks. Whoever finishes first wins." The boys snapped the sticks one by one. Crack! Snap! They laughed and shouted, trying to win. But soon, they were fighting again. So the old man brought out another bundle. This time, all tied together tightly. "Now," he said, "try to break this bundle, but don't take the sticks apart." The boys tried. And they pushed. And they pulled. But no matter what they did, the bundle wouldn't break. The old man smiled. "You see," he said gently, "when the sticks were alone, you broke them easily. But when they stayed together, they were too strong to break." The boys looked at each other and finally understood. They smiled, hugged their father, and promised to stay united. Because when we stick together, we are strong. Moral of the story: there's strength in unity.